How to add new providers. Press on Providers button. Press on Add button. First name of your provider. Last name of your provider. Email which the provider will use to log into the system. Password which the provider will use to log into the system. Amount of credits connections that the provider will have. Make the provider active or deactivate at any time. Choose the provider's role: admin, super reseller, reseller. Select country. Select language. When you finish with filling up this form, press on Add button. How to edit an existing providers. Choose the provider you need and select it. Press on Edit button. When you have changed all the necessary information, press on Save button. Thank you for watching.